Hi, we're the Bolter family. Just an average Canadian family living in and enjoying the Okanagan. Together, we have traveled many parts of this beautiful world. And this time we want to take you along with us. So please, join us weekly as we recap our most recent trip to the Philippines. We had some really good times. We also had some not so good times. We have to go home. The coronavirus situation has changed so much. So we made the decision last night to cancel our flights April 1st and book them for tomorrow. Good or bad, we had each other through it all. Come along with us on our family's latest adventure as we explore one of the world's most beautiful countries, the Philippines.
Ow. Now, William Stern, do the nose thing with it. Who's the best? Okay.